I am Dr. T. Srilata, Assistant Professor of Botany, Pingal Government Degree College, Vaddapelli, Varangal. So, coming to the Cyanophyceae. So, here the Cyanophyceae class common name is blue-green algae. So, blue-green algae. So, the algae shows blue-green color. So, the common name is blue-green algae. So, it was closely related to the bacteria. So, closely related to the bacteria. So, then eukaryotic. So, distribution in worldwide. So, coming to distribution of the Cyanophyceae algae. So, endophytic. So, here endophytic, the thallus, living in the internal structure of the other plants are thallus, etc. So, here the endophytic thallus, Anabaena, nostoc. So, here the nostoc present in the Anthoceras thallus. So, the nostoc living with Anthoceras thallus and coralloid roots of Cycas also. So, here Anabaena, Azolla plant, the Anabaena present in the Azolla. So, here endozoic Oscillatoria. So, next cryophytes, Pharmadium, epiphytes. So, epiphytes means the algae living on the plants. So, that algae is called epiphytic algae. So, for examples here, so here very important of this Cyanophyceae algae, nitrogen fixation. So, here the nitrogen fixation, say the Cyanophyceae algae forms nitrogen into the soil. So, the Cyanophyceae algae produces nitrogen. So, the Cyanophyceae algae forms nitrogen. So, here the nitrogen fixation into the soil. So, the formers develops as biofertilizers. So, here the Cyanophyceae algae develops, the formers developing as biofertilizers. So, here the nitrogen, the Cyanophyceae algae, very important of Cyanophyceae algae, they forms nitrogen fixation into the soil. So, the formers growing like as biofertilizers. So, here clear nitrogen fixation. What is nitrogen fixation means? They absorb the nitrogen into the atmosphere and they break into triple bond and it gives to the nitrogen into the soil. So, next coming to the Cyanophyceae pigments. So, here chlorophyll A present in all algae. So, not only Cyanophyceae. So, the pigments chlorophyll A present in all algae. Next phycobillion proteins, phycoerythrin present in the Cyanophyceae family. So, here fucosinin, it is in blue, it gives to blue green color to the algae. So, the fucosinin present in very they contain fucosinin very large in size, so large part, so they produces blue green color to the Cyanophyceae algae. So Guidigo phenomenon, here the variation colors of the Cyanophyceae, the group Cyanophyceae algae change into wavelength of light. So change the thallus color, change themselves with help with wavelength of light. For example, Oscillatoria. For example, Oscillatoria. In Oscillatoria, they grow into the red color and red in color. So the Oscillatoria shows into yellow color. So next, the light is in yellow in color. It shows into blue color. So the color, the Oscillatoria change into colors wavelength with wavelength of light. So effect of wavelength of light. So the variation of colors in cyanobacteria, for example Oscillatoria. So Oscillatoria observe the light from the sunlight and wavelength of light, and they change into colors, they change themselves into colors. So here they convert into they observe the red color sunlight, and they look like yellow in color, and the yellow color sunlight they look like blue color, blue in color. So this phenomenon is called Guidigo phenomenon. So next, forms. So Cyanophyceae algae having with mucilaginous envelope. So the cells are covered, the cell was covered by the mucilage envelope and colonies. So here the cells are attached with each other and they forms colonial form, and some algae filamentaceous, like filamentaceous. So the cells are attached with each other and they forms one ribbon shaped structure. So that type of algae is called filamentaceous. So unbranched or branch. So here we can see the filament. So here that single cells are attached with each other and they forms one single row. So they forms one single row, one ribbon shaped structure. So it is called filament. So that filament also called trichome. So the trichome covered by the trichome was covered by the mucilage. So here the trichome was covered by the mucilage. So here we can see clear picture, row of the cells. The cells are attached with each other and it is look like one ribbon shaped structure, that is called filament. So the filament also called trichome. Trichome was covered by the mucilage. So functioning. So here the mucilage cell the mucilage was covered to the cell. So what is the function of mucilage? It protects cell protects the cell from drying and involved in gliding. So protects the mucilage protect to the inner part of the cell. Next, so the cell structure, coming to the vegetative cell structure. So here the single cell, so the single cells are present, and palmelloid colonies also present here, are non-filamentous forms. So here single cell are palmelloid colonies. Palmelloid colonies means, so the cells are difference into size and shape. So that filamentous called palmelloid colonies. Next, coming to the first picture, we can see oscillatoria, and so total pictures are oscillatoria, trichome, oscillatoria, filaments. It is in ribbon shaped structure. So coming to the nostoc colony, so the cells are vegetative cells are attached with each other, and they forms one chain, one bead chain like structure, and the chain like structure was covered by the mucilage. So they forms one colonial form. So the nostoc always called nostoc colony. Coming to the reproduction, so it takes place by two types, vegetative reproduction and asexual reproduction. So coming to the vegetative reproduction, so vegetative reproduction, so fragmentation means, so the accidentally the thallus separated from the mother thallus, and the cut into the small pieces and broken into the small pieces, and each piece develop as a new thallus. That process is called fragmentation. Next, harmogonia. So here heterocyst develops into the thallus. So heterocyst, so the vegetative cells are turn into very big in size and colorless. That cell is called heterocyst, and the heterocyst cell attached with the weak vegetative cells. So the heterocyst attached with the weak vegetative cells, and then they separated from the thallus, separated from the thallus and broken into the thallus, and they separated from the thallus. So that piece is called, harmogonia. So that piece develop as a new thallus. So this is colorless. We can see the clear picture in second picture. So second diagram we can see clearly. So that is called heterocyst, so colorless. So that cell is changed into very big in size, and they did not show any color, so colorless. So that is called heterocyst. So the heterocyst attached with the weak, so we can see the weak cells also. So they attached with the weak vegetative cells. So that weak vegetative cells broken into the separate piece, cut into the separate piece. That piece is called harmogonia, and harmogonia develops as a new thallus. So here also Harmagonia present at the upper side of the thallus. So next, coming to the endospores. So here coming to the asexual reproduction. So here asexual reproduction takes place by endospores. Here the endospores, the spores are present in the inside of the cell, and it has very thick cell walls, and the endospores are comes outside when water is available. They forms one new thallus. So these are all endospores. Exospores. So next, coming to the asexual reproduction, actinides. So here also actinides. So the cell change into very large size, and it is accumulated with food material. So the cell accumulated with food material, and it has 2 to 3 layers, and it very thick layers. So it has very thick layers. The two or three layers, very two to three thick layers covered to the actinides, and the actinides accumulated with food material. So when the water is available, these 2 to 3 layers protect the inner part of the actinides. So they protect the temperature to the, they protect into the temperature, and the food material. So so many long time they are growing to very long time when water is when water is available. So then the accumulate food material. So when the water is available, then they grow into the new thallus. So here the actinides, what is the difference between heterocyst? So the heterocyst also intercellular large cell, but actinides also intercellular large cell. But difference between the heterocyst and actinides means heterocyst, it is colorless, and it has very thin cell wall, and they attached with vegetative to vegetative cells, and they separated from the thallus. That branch is called Harmagonia. So here the actinides, they separated from the complete, the actinides separated from the thallus. So it has very thick cell wall, and food material also present in the cytoplasm. So they they are protect himself for temperature. So they protect himself for temperature and another drought conditions. So then water is available. Then water is available. The actinides produces new thallus. So next, coming to the heterocyst. So here we can see the colorless large cells. So you can see the large round shaped structure, heterocyst. So nitrogen fixation. So here observe the nitrogen, and they turn into chemical bond, and they turn into nitrogen into triple bond, and nitrogen fixation into the soils. So this is the general characters of Cyanophyceae family, Cyanophyceae class. So Cyanophyceae class algae, commonly named known as blue-green algae. So we can see the pigments. So blue-green algae. So filaments. So oscillatoria, nostoc. So very rich in nitrogen fixation. So they are also called biofertilizers. Biofertilizers. That's coming to the vegetative reproductions. Here heterocyst, colorless heterocyst here. Pseudoharmogonia, endospores, acinites, heterocyst, colorless heterocyst, and nitrogen fixation. Okay, thank you.